Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you are new to this YouTube channel, then hi, I am Priyanka, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please do consider subscribing. So in today's video I will be showing you my go-to makeup look, so stay tuned and watch this video till the end. So I will start with the primer because I have already moisturized my skin. So I am using Fit Me primer. Now I am using this red lipstick to cover my under eye area. Now I will use Fit Me foundation in the shade 228. I am taking one pump and two pump. So I have this makeup beauty sponge. With the help of this, I will blend my foundation all over the face. Now I will be using concealer from Aloe Makeup Pro Conceal, and I am in the shade GC969. Now I will blend the concealer which we have applied. I have this Maybelline Fit Me Poreless powder to set my under eye area. I am using this same beauty sponge. shadow palette. From this I am taking one of the peachy shade, as you can see this shade, to apply it as a blush on my cheek. Now I have this eyebrow pencil, and with the use of it I will do my eyebrow. Fixer from Swiss Beauty, and I will set my face. Now I am taking the Contour D4's palette to highlight my face and some of the area of my face. I am taking this brush to highlight the cheekbones. The same Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette for my eyes. I am taking the same peachy shade which we have applied as a blush. I am taking in my finger only and just apply on my lid. Moisturize my lips with this Vera lip balm. I am taking this Sugar Matte as Healthy Crayon and I am in the shade 17. I will first do my borders. in the shade Mousse, and I will apply the top coat on this lipstick. Now I am taking this eyeliner. The half of my lid only, and I have not applied this eyeliner to all over my eyes. So yes, now at last I will be using this mascara from Glam 21. So yeah, that's it for this look. Hope you guys love this look, and if you do, then please like this video, share this video to your friends and family. I will see you super soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.